Okay, Daniel's gonna do some Thai boxing right now. Oh yeah, get it on.
Give me 10.
Oh my gosh.
Hands up.
My gosh. You got some strong kicks there. Holy.
Come on, run good one. Come on. Drive it. There you go. All right, inside. Oh, that was closer. There you go. This is just a knock them off balance. Good one. 5. 7. Hand up. 8. Hand up. 10. There you go. See? That's it.
Good job. Yay. Put your hands up, Daniel. Woo, woo. Yeah, buddy.